have very clear conception. So therefore, I already told you that we are going to learn today voice change. We are going to learn voice change. You have little bit of idea of voice change because before also we practiced voice change. Today's date you shall write down. You will write down today's date 20/07/2021. And then next, let us take some examples of voice change. If I say, he reads a book. He reads a book. He reads a book. Can you tell me now? First of all, you tell me in which voice the sentence is.
Ma'am, passive voice.
In which voice?
Active voice.
Active voice. How could you understand
Active
that
voice.
this?
Ma'am,
Okay,
active
how
voice.
could you okay, how could you understand that this sentence is in active voice? How could you understand that this sentence is in active voice? I told you that when the subject is active, when the subject is active in the sentence, at that time we shall understand that the voice is in active voice. Now, how the subject is active? See, subject himself, he himself reads a book. The subject, he himself reads a book. That means the work is done by the subject. The work is done by the subject himself. Therefore, this is an active voice. Therefore, this is an active voice. So first of all, we need to have differentiate between the active voice and the passive voice. If we cannot differentiate between the active voice and passive voice, first of all, then we will not be able to change the voices properly or correctly. Therefore, first of all, we have to have very clear idea about the active voice and the passive voice. So this is active voice. He reads a book. This sentence is in active voice. Now, students, you tell me, in this sentence, which tense has been used? That means the sentence is in which tense? He reads a book. Can you tell me which is the verb? Okay, tell.
Present tense.
Simple present tense. This is the correct answer. Present tense is correct, but partially correct because present tense also has got 4 types. Therefore, you have to say the particular tense. Which kind of the present tense. Therefore, some of you have told that this is in simple present tense. So, if it is in simple present tense, now what are the rules that we have to follow to change the voice from active to passive? Now, first of all, from the sentence, we have to find out what is subject and which one is object. Now, let us see which is the subject in this active voice. Which is the subject here?
He.
He is a subject. Yes, he is a subject. He is a subject. Now, which is the object? This is the subject. Which is the object?
A book. A book. A book.
A book.
A book.
Very good. A book is the, yes, a book is the object. This is the subject. This is the subject. And a book is the object. Now, when we shall change the active voice to passive voice, what we have to do? These object of the active voice will become the subject in the passive voice. Will become the subject in the passive voice. Therefore, the passive voice will start with which words?
A book.
A book.
A book.
Yes, a book. Then you see you have already to, yes, very good. A book. Yes, a book. Yes, very good. A book is. Now you tell me why we have used is here.
Ma'am, simple present tense.
Simple present tense. So when simple present tense is there, and after that we have to see. I think my voice is echoing, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you mute your audios. Mute your audios,
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you. All of you mute your audios. Okay. All of you mute your audios, please. So therefore, a book is, now you see, when I will ask you the question, at that time only you will unmute and you will answer, okay? Otherwise my voice will echo. So therefore, he reads a book. This reads is the main, that is verb here. Therefore, since this is the main verb, and one more thing, this a book, this is also is in singular form. This is also is in singular form. Therefore, a book is, you have already told me the answer. So a book is read by him. A book is read by him. So I hope you
Red.
a book is read by him. The pronunciation will be read. Okay? The pronunciation READ pronunciation will be read. A book is read by him. A book is read by him. So we have used here is because these verb, the reads verb is in simple present tense. So whenever the active voice will be in simple present tense, in the passive voice, the helping verb have to be used as is or are. So when we need to use is, when the subject is singular. If the subject is plural, suppose instead of a book, if it were books, then we had to use what? Instead of is, what we had to use then? Are. Very good. Only these things you have to keep in mind, okay? While changing the voice, keep these things in the mind, that you have to see very carefully whether the subject is plural or singular, and accordingly you have to use the verb, and accordingly you will use that form of verb. That means singular form of verb and plural form of verb. Now next, let us see. If I say he makes 10 baskets every day. Every day. He makes 10 baskets every day. So can you tell me what will be the answer?
10 baskets is made by him. He gets 10 baskets is made by him every day.
Okay, now you mute your audios and let me back down. All of you mute your audios, please, otherwise my voice will echo. So now the thing what we have to see, you see, some of you have told me the answer, but there is some mistake in your answers. So first of all, you find out which is your subject. So this is the subject in the active voice. This is the subject of the active voice. Now what is the object of the passive, active voice? The object of the active voice is 10 baskets. This 10 baskets is the object of the active voice. We need to find out which is the subject and which is the object in the active voice, because the object of the active voice will become very important in the passive voice, because it will become the subject in the passive voice. This object will become the object of the active voice, will become the subject in the passive voice. This one will become the subject in the passive voice. Therefore, 10 baskets he makes what? If we ask what question, to the verb, this is the verb here. Makes is the verb here, because what he does, if we ask what he does or what the subject does, the answer will be the verb. He makes. So this is the verb. Makes is the verb. Now what does he make? He makes 10 baskets. So this is the object. If we ask what question to the verb, remember students, that will be the object. That will be the direct object. There may be more than one objects, but both the objects cannot be the things. If there are two objects, then one object will be person and another object will be thing. So here only we have got only one object, 10 baskets. Therefore, let us Let us change the voice now. Let us change the voice. If we change, these 10 baskets will come first. 10
10 baskets
baskets.
made by him every day.
10 baskets. After that, what will come?
Made by him.
10 baskets. After
10
that, what will
baskets
come?
are
Yes, are. 10 baskets are. 10 baskets is plural here. Therefore, we have to use are. 10 baskets are. Now, what is the main form of verb? Make, made. Yes, made. Therefore, V3 will come here. Yes. 10
made
baskets are made.
by him
Yes, by
every day.
him. Yes, very
By
good. By
him.
him every day.
By
So this will be the, yes, this will be the answer. 10 baskets are made by him every day. So what we have to remember, or what we have to see very properly, these subject, whether the subject is in singular or plural. If the subject is in plural, we have to use are. We have to use are. If we write down here is, the whole sentence will become wrong. And we will be given 0 only if we write down are. So therefore, 10, sorry, if we write down is, 10 baskets are made by him every day. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Take one.
Hmm.
He thinks, she beautiful songs. Beautiful. Now, what are the things that we have to find out? We have to find out what are the things. First of all, we have to find out which is the subject here. Which is the subject?
Things.
Subject of the passive voice, active voice.
Things.
Sings.
She.
She.
No, not she.
She.
Then what is the verb? Which is the verb?
Sings.
Which one is the verb? Sings
Ma'am,
is the
sings.
verb. Sings is the verb. First
Sings.
subject comes first. Generally in the assertive
Can.
is the subject of this active voice. Sings is the verb of, then she sings what? She sings what? Beautiful songs. Songs. This one is object of the active one.
Beautiful songs are Ma'am,
Are or
beautiful
is?
songs are sung by him.
Are, yes.
Sung by
Beautiful
her.
songs are, yes, very good. Beautiful songs are sung by him.
Songs are
Sung
sung
by
by
her.
him.
Because, yes, very good. Because sung is the V3 of
By
sing.
her.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
her.
hard. Yes, very good, hard.
Ma'am, her.
Yes,
Ma'am, her.
hard. Yes. Beautiful songs are sung by her. So, beautiful songs are sung by her. So, therefore, these beautiful songs, this was is in plural. Therefore, we have to use are here. That is why we have used are. And after that, V3. V3 is SUNG sung, sing, sang, sung. And then by whom? By her. So, this is our answer. Now, next you see, so we have practiced 3 sentences on simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Now, let us practice some more examples on different other tenses. And let me see whether you can find out which tense it is. He he has done work. So can you change the sentence then? What is the tense has been used in the
Present
sentence?
perfect tense. Present perfect tense.
And the work which mute and answer please.
The work has been done by him.
Okay,
The
that
work
is the
has
answer.
been done by him.
No, my question was that which tense it is? In
Present
which
perfect
tense?
tense.
The,
Present
yes,
perfect.
present perfect tense.
Present perfect
Yes,
tense.
very good.
tense.
First of
Present
all,
perfect.
you have to, yes, first of all, while changing the voice or whatever it may be narration, you need to find out in which tense the sentence is given. Because if you do not know the tense, your voice change or narration or any other grammar, there will be some mistakes. Therefore, first of all, try to find out in which tense the sentence has been given. So therefore, you have said correctly, all of you, most of you have said correctly that it is in present perfect tense. He has done the work. Again, you mute your audios, please. He has done the work. Therefore, he has done the work, and some of you have already told the answer. The work,
The
since the work is
work has
the,
been done.
yes, the work has been, yes, the
The
work
work
has
has
been
been
done by him.
Done by him.
Yes, so all of you also write down with me. You write down in your copies. The work has been done by him. Then next you see, the girl has brought 5 cups of tea. The girl has brought 5 cups of tea. So in which tense the sentence is in? What is the tense used here in this sentence? The girl, okay, tell me. I could not hear you. The girl has brought
Present
five
Ma'am,
present
present perfect.
perfect tense. Yes, very good. The girl has, yes, yes, correct. Very, very correct. The girl has brought 5 cups of tea. Now, if we change this sentence, what will be the subject in the passive voice?
The girl.
The girl.
The girl.
Subject in the passive voice. The girl is the subject in the active voice.
5 cups of tea.
Yes, 5
Five cups.
cups of tea. Yes,
5
very
cups
good.
of tea.
5
Cups of tea.
5 cups of tea. Now, which verb we have to use? 5 cups of tea.
Have been. Have been.
Have
Have
been.
been.
Very good.
Have been.
Yes. That's
Have
why I
been.
gave you the sentence.
5
Whether
cups
you
of
put,
tea have been brought by
yes, very good.
girl.
Have been, yes, 5 cups of tea have been brought
By the girl. Brought by the girl.
by the
the
girl.
girl.
Very good. Otherwise, your answer would be very correct because this is a very simple type of sentence. Only this one, only in this place, you need to be very careful that whether we have to use has or haven't. Almost every one of you have said correctly that the verb will be used here, have, not has. These has only have has been replaced by have here because the subject has been changed into plural. Here the subject was singular, that's why has was used. But here the subject is plural, 5 cups of tea. Therefore, the verb has will be replaced by have. That means has will become have here because these 5 cups of tea is plural. Is it clear to all of you? So
Yes,
5
ma'am.
cups of tea have been, yes, 5 cups of tea have been
Yes, ma'am.
brought by the girl. Okay, very good. Now next, let me write down. Next, let me write down. They were playing football. They were playing football yesterday. They were playing football yesterday. Now, if we change this sentence, now first of all, you tell me what is the tense in this sentence? The verb is in which tense?
Present
Which
perfect
tense?
continuous.
Perfect continuous
Past
tense.
perfect continuous tense. Past
They
continuous
were
tense.
past continuous tense. Who said tense? Who said this? Past continuous?
Tense.
What's your
Ma'am,
name? Okay. So therefore, this past continuous was the correct answer. This is past continuous tense. They were playing football yesterday. They were playing because see they are playing. Which tense it is? If I say they are playing, then which tense will be this one? Present continuous. And when yes, when this are becomes where they were playing football yesterday. So what will be the tense here?
past continuous.
Past continuous. Yes, past
Past
continuous. Very good. Past continuous. Now we have found out that in which tense the sentence has been given. Now next, what will be our work? Now next we have to see which is the subject and which is the object in the active voice. So we know that they is subject in the active voice, yes. And what is the object? What is the object in the active voice?
Football. Football.
Football.
Yesterday.
Football is the yes. Football is the object. This one is the object in the active voice. This one is the object in the active voice. This is the object. This football is the object in the active voice. So when we will use that is change the active voice into passive voice. So what we have to do then? This football will come first. Football. Football. Now what will be the verb next?
Was.
Was. Football was. We cannot use this word. Where will be replaced by was? Where will be replaced by was? Because in the active voice, the subject was plural, they. But in the passive voice, the subject has become singular because the object is singular here. The object is singular. Therefore, when this object becomes subject, this will also be singular here. Therefore, football is singular. So remember, students, we cannot
Ma'am,
change the tense form. Yes, we cannot. We are not allowed to change the form of the tense also. Therefore, football was, since playing is there, you know that. Yes, what is the extra helping verb required?
Being.
What is being? Very good. Football was being. Then they
Played by
yes, football was being played by them. Football was
Yes.
being played by them. Then one
Yesterday.
more word we have to write down, yesterday.
yesterday.
Football was being played by them yesterday. Football was being played by them. This one you can that is add at the last. But the important part, which one is the important part? These are the important part. Football. Then after that, where will not remain as where, it will be changed into was because football is singular. So football was, then playing will become being played because this is passive voice and we need to bring one extra helping verb. So the helping verb in any continuous form of voice, we need to bring this being verb. therefore was being. Then after that V3, no other form of verb is allowed in passive voice except V3, therefore play, played, played, we have to bring played. So being played by them, then yesterday, okay? So next one more sentence, let me write down. Okay, let me write down one. The tiger killed the deer. The tiger killed the deer. So what will be the answer?
The deer,
The deer,
the deer was killed by the tiger.
the deer was killed by the tiger.
The deer was
Killed by the tiger.
killed by the tiger. Yes, very good. The deer was killed by
Deer
the
was
tiger.
killed by the tiger. The
Yes, very
tiger.
good. Very good answer. Most of you have said correctly, answered correctly. Very well done. So next, let me write down. The cat killed mice. The cat killed mice.
Mice was
What is
killed by the cat. Killed by the cat.
Mice was killed by the cat. Mice
That's
was
why
killed
I
by
gave you this question, because I knew that there will be one mistake by you. Can you tell me what is the mistake that you have made? Most of you have made. Can you tell me?
Mice
Is mice
were.
is plural here? Mice where? Mice is plural. Mice is the plural of mouse. Okay. Mice is the plural of mouse, and that's where you made the mistake. That's where you made the mistake. So whenever mice is there, so therefore what? See, so many things we have to. Yes, so many things we need to know. Okay. Mice
Killed by
is
the
the
cat.
plural of mouse. So therefore mice. Answer will be mice were killed by the cat.
by the cat.
Yes, mice were killed by the cat. So the cat did not kill a single mouse. He killed many. That's why mouse became mice. Okay, mouse became mice. The cat killed mice. So therefore, students, you all are maybe very tired because you have also attended Bosumata Sir's class. So let me complete this class today here only, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have got holidays. Okay, there will be no classes. The next week, whenever you will have class, I will inform you and just be present in the class. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, and bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Bye.